In the heart of ancient India, where the sacred river Ganges flowed, arose a civilization of unparalleled splendor, the Gupta Empire. This era, known as the Golden Age, was a beacon of prosperity, knowledge, and cultural growth, illuminating the subcontinent from 320 to 550 AD. The stage was set under the reign of Chandragupta I, who, like a phoenix rising from the ashes, united the warring kingdoms and forged the Gupta Empire. His victory marked the dawn of an epoch that would echo through the annals of history. Chandragupta I's successor, Samudragupta, was a titan among men. His military might was legendary, and his reign saw the expansion of the empire to its zenith. Yet it was his intellect and benevolence that truly set him apart, as he fostered a culture that cherished knowledge and wisdom. During this time, the Gupta Empire flourished. Cities bloomed like lotuses, each adorned with magnificent architecture and bustling with commerce. The economy thrived, and trade routes extended to distant lands, bringing forth a wealth unmatched in the ancient world. The arts and sciences also blossomed under the Gupta emperors. Math and astronomy experienced a renaissance, with the works of Aryabhata and Varahamihira propelling India into the forefront of scientific thought. The Gupta period also saw the birth of Sanskrit literature, with plays, epics, and treatises that would endure the test of time. Yet, the Golden Age was not without its challenges. The empire faced invasions from the Hunas, a nomadic tribe from Central Asia. Despite these threats, the Gupta Empire persevered, as kings like Samudragupta I and Chandragupta deftly navigated these crises, securing their realm's continued prosperity. The Gupta Empire's decline began in the shadow of its own brilliance. As the dynasty weakened, regional powers rose, and the empire fractured into smaller kingdoms. Yet, the legacy of the Guptas lived on. Their rule left an indelible mark on India, shaping its culture, language, and identity. The Gupta Empire's golden age stands as a testament to the potential of human achievement. Its story serves as a reminder that, like the Ganges that flowed through it, the waters of knowledge and wisdom continue to nourish the soil of India, fostering growth and prosperity to this day.